Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me. We got another core and stretch, 15 minutes worth. You will need a mat. No equipment is required. Other than that, we will be on the ground. So if you want carpet or not, that's up to you. Inhale. Exhale. Alright, so the point of core and stretch, bring those knees down. Inhale. Just focus on your body. Focus on your breathing. Focus on your muscles. Focus on anything that you would like. It's a lower intense workout. We do core, we do stretching, working on flexibility, mobility, and strength in that midsection. Alright, bring it on down. Give me a nice, good, easy shrug. Tense it on up, and then relax, okay? So any of that tension, build it on up, bring it on up, and relax. Alright, control the breath. Exhale as you tense up. Inhale as you come down. Alright, give me some arm circles for it. Loosen up the shoulders here. There's a little more mobility in them. Nice and controlled. Palms are down. Again, it's so intense. Focus on you. Focus on your internals. Focus on your muscles. Focus on any aches or pains. Any tightness. Switch. Bring it on back. Big circles. Nice, easy breathing. Alright, set your intention for the workout, okay? What do you want to focus on today? Arms over. Always seeing which arm goes on top. Focus on your intentions. Focus on the goal. Focus on that reason. And just want to work through it. Help your body relax. Help you recover with any other workouts or stresses. Alright, bring it on down. Go ahead and pull up that right foot, right quad stretch here. Okay, so we're going to intertwine stretching and ab work. Switch sides. Great job again. Thank you for joining me. Alright, go ahead and bring it on down. Nice and easy. Hands on the hips. We're just going to do a little nice easy kick out. Okay, so working that hip mobility here. Core is engaged, standing up nice and tall. Again, we're always working core whether you know it or not. Help you balance, help you stay strong. Not just in working out, but in everyday living. Okay, nice and easy. Keep your breathing. We're going to switch sides. Leg is extended out, toes are pointing to the front. Foot is flexed, okay? So that flex means that the toes are pointing to the front. Okay? Good, great job. Nice and easy. Core is engaged, supporting leg is strong here, body is relaxed. Alright, go ahead and relax. We'll bring it down to the mat here. Lay it on the back. Alright, we're starting with some single leg lifts here. So you're going to reach those hands right above the head. Alternate which leg comes up. Bring those hands right past that knee. Leg is straight. Arms are straight. Body might be shaking a little bit when you bring that leg up towards those hands. That's okay. Abs are working. Good job, everybody. So I might be working up those abs and warming them on up. Excellent job. And relax. Lengthen the body. Reach those hands, reach those legs. Give me a nice good breath. Keep the back nice and flat against the mat here. Alright, going to bring those knees up. 9-degree knees. Hands right behind the head. Eyes, chin up towards the ceiling as you crunch. Engaging those abs here, okay? Focus on the squeeze in those abs. That's why I want your chin and the eyes facing up. Because sometimes when you're bringing that chin down, you're just bending that neck without engaging those abs here, okay? So it takes the strain out of the neck, keeps it nice and neutral. Hands right there for support. Knees are 90 degrees. Good. And you have these moves if they're too challenging for you. Alright. Or something just doesn't feel right. Go ahead and modify. Alright, go ahead and relax. Take a little breath here. Hands right by your side. Stay right here. Back is nice and flat. Alright, we're going back into those single leg lifts again. Reaching out those arms. Hands above. Get that leg up. Get those arms past those legs. Okay. Exhaling the breath every time you squeeze those abs. Anytime you're engaging the abs, breathe out. Good. Good job. Great job. Just a few more of them. Keep it going. You're doing awesome. And if you're having trouble, that's okay. It just takes practice. Again, as long as you're doing what you can. Modify the moves if you need to. No worries. It's all about you. Alright? Feeling out the workout, feeling out the body, feeling out any stresses, any tension in the body. Bring those knees up. Back into that crunch, 9-degree knees. Engage the abs. How's the abs feeling? Are they feeling tighter now? Alright. Feeling a little bit of a burn? That's normal. Body might be shaking a little bit, that's okay. You're working hard. Again, try and keep those shins parallel with the ground. I want them tabletop, which means they're flat. If you had a beverage, glass of water right there on top of those shins, it would not spill. That's how flat I want those shins to be, how parallel I want them to be with the ground. Get those shoulders up, engage the abs again, squeeze. Feel it right there in that midsection. Nice work. A few more, couple more. And relax. Hands right by your side, feet down, knees are bent. Give me a nice hip bridge right here. Walk the heels in a little bit more, closer towards your bottom. Keep it up. Hips squeezing, glutes engage, core is engaged. Hands planted on the ground here. Just hold. We're going to take that right leg, we're going to extend it on up. If that's too challenging for you, keep both feet down. Keep the hips square with each other. You might need to squeeze the left side a little bit harder to compensate for that right side being up. Quads parallel with each other, right next to each other. Knees are next to each other. Switch sides. Left foot up, left leg up. Again, quads parallel with each other, knees right next to each other. Leg is extended. Hips are square, which means they're even. They're not crooked, they're not at an angle. They're nice and balanced with each side. Or feet back down. Raise it up a little bit higher. Relax. Hug those knees in. Okay, can you roll side to side? Nice work. Nice little back massage for yourself here. Hug the knees in to catch the abs, a little breather. Alright, drop those knees back down, or the feet back down. Back into that hip bridge. Walk those feet in towards your bottom. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hips high. Hands down. Hold. Right foot coming back on up. Straight leg. Quads in line. Knees in line. Legs extended at an angle. Hips nice and balanced with each other. Switch sides. Good job, everybody. Both feet back down. Hold it on. Bridge. Hips up. Core engaged. And back down. Grab the knees. Hold it steady. Roll side to side. Alright, extend that left leg in. Keep that right knee in. Hold right here. You can rotate the ankle. Go ahead and stop that rotation in that ankle. Take that left hand, pull it to the left side. Right arm reaches out. Look over to your right hand. Just let that knee hang over the other leg. Feel the stretch right there, back of the right leg. Go ahead and release. Right leg down, left leg up, knee bent. Rotate the ankle. Hold that knee into the chest. Okay, so we're stretching out the lower body here. Alright, taking that right arm, pull that leg to the right side. Let that weight hang down. Look over to the left side, left hand. Nice easy twist. Alright, go ahead and release. Both legs extend back and out. We are going to drop the hands right back to the side again. Both legs stay together. Coming up, hold them up. Just hold right here. Lower abs are going to be engaged here. Back is nice and flat. Legs are straight. Toes pointing right towards your head. Towards over your head. Now we hold. Keep it breathing. Alright, bend those knees. 9-degree knees. Heel taps. Coming down. Tap. Bring it back up. Other side. Good. Keep that knee up. Keep those knees 90 degrees. Keep that shin parallel with the ground. Again, tabletop knees. Tabletop shins. Slowly release. Keep the back flat. One more on each foot, then we bring both feet back on up towards the ceiling, towards the sky. Right back on up, hold steady. How straight can you get those legs? How high can you get them up? Can you get those legs perpendicular with the ground here? Keep the back flat, keep it breathing. Bend those knees. Extend out. Heel taps again. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Stay in control. Stay in control of your body. You're in control of yourself here. You control your actions. You control your workout. You control your movements. One more on each side. Drop the heels back down. Catch a little breath here. Alright, we're gonna roll it onto the stomach here. Alright, go right into it. You stretch out those abs. Hips down, chin up. Come back down. Come back up. Drop the left shoulder. Drop the right shoulder. Back at center. Come back down. Sit it back. Child's pose. Hips down. Heels back. Hands forward. Reach those hands as far forward as you can here, stretching out the upper back. Breathe into the stretch. Bring it on up. Give me that high plank here. Feet can be wide, they can be close together. The closer the feet are, the more challenging it is. Screw the hands into the ground here, into that mat. Hands right below the shoulders. Hips in line, back is flat. And we hold. Belly button's pulled in towards your spine, towards the ceiling. And you're breathing. Keep it holding. Keep it breathing. The key to holding a plank long is the breath. Control it. Keep those hips in line. Straight line from the shoulders to your heels. Alright, and relax. Drop back down. Reach those hands forward. Downward dog. Hips up. Heels down. Walk those feet towards those hands. Hang it on down. Slowly roll it on up. Alright, nice and easy. Shake out the body, shake out those arms. Nice big inhale, one more time, inhale. Exhale, bring it on down. Bring it back up. Bring those hands close together. Look on up towards the hands. Look down towards the ground. Looking forward. Bring those hands right back at the center of your chest. You can close your eyes if you want. Give you nice 2 good breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And give yourselves a hand. Again, thank you for joining me for this core and stretch workout. Again, if you'd like to check out the rest of my channel, go ahead and do so. I have plenty of different workouts for every single fitness level. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more of these workouts. And then let me know in the comments below how are you feeling during the workout, okay? Again, till next time, stay fit, stay flex, and I hope to see you in another workout.